Hey guys, so this is our submission for Lightlink Gasless Hackathon. So we made walletSave, a Chrome extension for Roundup Wallet Challenge. So this is our starting interface. A user can simply create new wallet or import an existing wallet from the seed phrase. So I'll just go with creating a new wallet. So this is the secret recovery phrase. I'll just copy this and uh, save it in the secure place. So this is my wallet address and I'll continue the wallet save. So as you can see, this is currently balance is 0 ETH and this is my wallet address and it shows activate your saving account. So all the what it does in the backend when I click on the activate is it deploys a smart contract saving smart contract for my own address. All my savings are being stored in that contract. I can withdraw and get balance for my savings. So currently, as you have seen, like I have 0 ETH in my wallet. I'll just press activate, and what it has done is it has deployed a saving account. When I refresh the wallet, uh, so that banner has now been gone, and when I click on this wallet, so this is my saving account address, and it also has 0 ETH. So let's just grab some funds from the faucet. So So now I have successfully claimed 0.01 ETH from the faucet. Uh, let's try sending this to the another address. I'll just grab a second address from here and try to transfer it. So this is the address I am going to transfer. Currently it shows my balance, and if I transfer the whole balance, which is equivalent to like $23.61, it rounds up it to the $25, and the saving amount is this is in the ETH and this is in the dollars. So I'll for now I'll just save around like 0.08, sorry, 0.08. So the total amount is this one, and what the total amount I'm spending is $20, and rest $1.12 will be sent to my saving account. I'll just click on the next, wait for the transaction to get confirmed. As soon as I click on the saving account, you can see the amount has been transferred to my saving address and also to my just so this is the current balance in my wallet now. I have transferred around 0.08 to my this account. Now you can see this, the balance has changed. So let's withdraw this savings, and I'll 0.00048. It is processing the withdrawal, and the withdrawal is complete. And I'll just you can see like the balance has now changed. It's 0.019. Before it was 0.0015, and in the saving account you can also see like the balance has now changed. It currently works on the Pegasus testnet, and we are working on to like making it available on the mainnet, and like working for uh, SDK, like which developers can integrate the app to connect with our wallet and directly send transaction from their dApps. We have enabled enterprise mode, uh, which will uh, which provides gasless transactions whenever a user like activates his saving account, sends the transaction, and withdraws the transaction. No gas fees is charged. Thank you.